exciting mini-games with me and my friends in an awesome train set that magically comes to life. Collect cool toys to build and customize your very own train set. Ready to roll out? We are... I can't wait to see what you'll build today. What type of wagon should we pull? Only the boldest of engines will try cannonball curves. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right. Well done! That's perfect! That was super cool!